Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to this week's lesson. Today we're going to look at Chapter 1 of Book 4B, Practice 2. Do you remember Sally and Callie's plan for their grandma's birthday? So this was their plan. Let's look at it carefully. Where will they go? Will they go to Tai-O? Can you find Tai-O anywhere here? Yes. So when you ask the question, will they go to Tai-O? The answer normally is, yes, they will. Will they go to Disneyland? Can you find Disneyland anywhere here? No. So we will say, no, they won't. This is a language structure that we have to learn. We start off with a question, will they go to Tai-O? The answer, if it's yes, we will say, yes, they will. If the answer is no, we will say, no, they won't. Remember, we start off with will. We can use will to ask someone whether they will do something in the future. Normally, we give short answers like these. We will not write down the full answer as yes, they will go to Tai-O, blah, blah, blah. You can just say, yes, they will. In today's practice, we're going to look at the Easter plan that a girl called Betty has made. She is telling her friend Dan about her plans. Dan is also asking some questions about her plans. We're going to finish their conversation using the set structure will. Okay, we have to use the will questions. So this is the plan on practice 2. Let's look at it. Remember, this is Betty and that is Dan. This is a page from a travel book. Okay, you have to know what is a travel book. A travel book is something that gives us some ideas on where to go and what to do for the Easter holidays. So in a travel book, you can find some ideas of different places in different countries, different cities, and what you can do there. Betty has made some notes using a blue highlighter. So this is called a highlighter, and Betty has made some notes on it. You can see a tick, cross, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, some main ideas are highlighted. A tick means that the places she will go and things she will do. Okay, for example, Friday, take an exciting river ride. Cross means that places she will not go and things she won't do. Crosses means she will not go there. Alright, let's look at Betty's note made for Friday. Okay, we know this is for Friday because it says Friday, and the place is right here. This is a tick for the rainforest, take an exciting river ride, and a cross for the Grand Aquarium. Where will Betty go on Friday? So how do you answer that question? We will say Ocean Park. This is the main place. Will she visit the rainforest? Will she visit the rainforest? We added will she visit before the place. Yes, she will, because there's a tick. Will she visit the Grand Aquarium? Will she visit the Grand Aquarium? There's a cross. So the answer is no, comma, she won't. Alright? Don't say no, she can't. Write down no, she won't. Or you can also say no, she will not. Same meaning, okay? But we want to write down she won't. Alright, let's hear what Betty and Dan say about her plans for Friday and Saturday. So this is Dan and this is Betty. Dan asks, where will you go with your family in the Easter holidays? That's where Dan starts the conversation. And then Betty will say, on Friday, we'll go to Ocean Park. Will is a short form for we will. We will go to Ocean Park. And then Dan is thinking about rainforest. He will ask, will you visit the rainforest? And then Betty will say, take an exciting river ride. Yes, we will. We'll take a river ride. Look at this. Yes, we will. We will take a river ride. Next. Grand Aquarium. Dan will ask, will you visit the Grand Aquarium? And will she visit it? No, she won't. So Betty will say, no, we won't. She's saying we for a reason because she's going with her family. See, your family. That's why we're going to use we. On Saturday, we'll go to, where are they going on Saturday? Let's look at it. Ooh, on Saturday, we'll go to, where is this? Lantau. And what will Dan ask? Look at this. Dan will ask about the Big Buddha. Will you visit the Big Buddha? Betty will say, cross. No, we won't. And then Dan will ask about Disneyland. Ooh. So how can we ask a question? Will you visit Disneyland? Okay, there's a tick. And she has highlighted and go on the exciting rides. First, you need to answer, yes, we will. We'll go on the rides. So you can write down, we will go on the rides. Okay? Next, let's look at Sunday. Betty will say, on Sunday, we'll go to Chim Sha Choi. Dan will say, Science Museum. So how can he ask the question? Will you visit the Science Museum? Okay, what will she say? Oh, cross. No, we won't. So Dan will ask, Space Museum? There's a tick on the Space Museum. Will you visit the Space Museum? Remember, the names of the places has to be capital letters. And then Betty will say, tick, watch a 3D film about space. So she will say, yes, we will. We'll watch a 3D film about space. So it's very easy. Betty will say, on which day? On Monday, we'll go to Noah's Ark. Dan will say, Art Garden? How can you ask a question? Will you visit the Ark Garden? Betty says, oh, there's a tick. And she highlights, look at models of the animals. So the answer will be, yes, we will. We'll look at models of the animals. Now, Dan will ask, Noah's Adventureland? So how can I ask the question? Will you visit Noah's Adventureland? There's a cross. No, we won't. Okay, so boys and girls, this was practice 2 just now. I hope you guys remembered how to use will you and yes, we will, or no, we won't. And how to talk about places to go to and how to talk about things to do there. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.